Napdeng ki ngut ki thei bhabriew dondur ka Meghalaya. Kasamla Bahun Nongrum kala job bat la pynphong Pansngiat Miss Meghalaya 8,000 pusau. Kajuh kapor samla-lud Fortunate Mika Dkhar kala long kala lahduh bat yo eka Pansngiat Miss Teen Meghalaya 8,000 pusau. Hakani ka lympung iakop thei bhabriew dondur baheh tam Jylla la pynlong hakalai tarik Nailar ha Lariti Multi-purpose Hall Mawkasiang. Menteri ka Arts and Culture Paul Lyngdoh ulalong ukongsan bat Bah Sanbor Shullai Chairman Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation ulawan ban Pansngiat bat penrehem yakani ka lympung iakop penidur bhabriew bat kintia kamen. Nalor kita ki samla balara eka Pansngiat lahduh ka samla Chaivalry Lartang bat Lily Kharthangmaw kilara eka kerdan ka baar bat ba-lai kinya kun saha kajuh iakop Miss Northeast 8,000 pusau ha itnagar Arunchal Pradesh. Kasamla bahun kan sami khmat ya ka Meghalaya ha ka Miss Universe India 8,000 pusau. Kasamla Fortunate ka bala job ya ka Miss Teen Meghalaya 8,000 pusau kan mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya ha ka rensan Miss Teen Diva ha Jaipur Rajasthan. Ha ka Miss Teen ka samla-lud Paul Khan bat Nikita Nongrum kilawan ha ka first but second runners up. Kasamla Fortunate ka ba job ya ka Miss Teen kan mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya sa ka rensan Miss Teen Diva ka Banlong ha Jaipur Rajasthan.
17. Once again, the second runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, goes to contestant number 17. And the second runner-up winner will also be given a check. And as we can see, the check is also here. Please be here with us, Ms. Divi.
I'd like to invite Shri Frederick Kharthangmaw to kindly come up on the stage and give away the check. Can we please have the applause going? It's almost the end of the night.
So once again, a very big congratulations and thank you so much, sir. Moving on to the first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is...
Contestant number 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have your first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, contestant number 8. To crown, I would like to call up on stage the reigning first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya, Miss Gracie Nandi. And to sash, I would like to invite on stage once again, Miss bhabriew.
Miss Gracie and the first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023. I'd like
Teen Meghalaya 2024. To do the honor, I would like to invite upon stage the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Miss Angelina Jackson. Cue music, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I think she deserves a louder round of applause. Miss Angelina Jackson. And so, the winner, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, goes to contestant number. You're right, contestant number 13. Ladies and gentlemen, our new Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, contestant number 13. A very big congratulations. Thank you so much, Paul Lyngdoh. And once again, a very big congratulations, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. Now we request the winner to kindly take the award. And thank you so much, Divijo ma'am.
Just like you got superpowers, turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20
A big congratulations to all the contestants as well. You may now exit the stage.
Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch myself from the outside. Permeate my ego and my pride. I wanna love you the way that you love me. Oh, for all I'm not pretty, you know I'm ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me. Oh, does nobody ever love me like you do? I love to see me
So once again, a very big congratulations to the Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. You may now exit the stage. We will come back on stage for the photo session. Once again, a very big congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause.
number 16.
And to do the honor to give away the check, I will humbly request Shri Frederick Roy Kharthangmaw to kindly come up on stage. Also, I would like to invite on stage Sri Abraham Lee to kindly give away the gift hamper to the winner, second runner-up winner, and to the rest of the winners. And your second runner-up, you have another gift from Atomy. So once again, a very big congratulations. Second runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. So moving on, I would now like to call the reigning first runner-up Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Lasmikher. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome her back on stage. Cue music, please.
This is not a time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. There will come a day when we will find a way. Violins playing and the angels crying when the stars align.
So winner for the first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 13. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here is your first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024.
Must I mention, the first and second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 will represent the state in Miss Northeast.
I humbly request Bah Sanbor Shullai to kindly do the honor of giving away the check to our first runner-up winner. Thank you so much, Bah Sanbor. We would also like to call Sir Benjamin Lee once. Congratulations once again. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So to do the honor and to crown, I would like to once again call up on stage the reigning Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Chaivalry Lartang.
'Cause this is not the end. There will come a day when we will find a way. Violins playing and the angels.
Ladies and gentlemen, louder cheers for Miss Jylla.
Weeks of hard work, for some years of hard work, and the moment is here to announce the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is contestant number 18.
Meghalaya Universe 2024. None other than Miss Bahun. And to give away the check, I humbly request Sri Paul Lyngdoh to kindly do the honor. And Ms. Bahun, kindly collect your check.
Can we please have the applause continue? And the announcement has been made not on 3rd of August but on 4th of August. It's already past 0 hours. It's 12:01. And she will remember this day, and this day will go down in the history.
Once again, thank you so much, Paul. Very big congratulations. And once again, we will have Sir Abraham Lee kindly give away the gift hamper to the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024.
Can we please have all the contestants of Miss Teen Meghalaya on the stage? All the winners of Miss Teen Meghalaya on the stage.
Once again, a very big congratulations to all the contestants of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. You may now depart the stage. And we would now also like to welcome the winners of Miss Teen to kindly come back on stage.
And the other contestants, you may kindly
Depart.
exit.
You may take a leave. Yes. We humbly request the remaining contestants of Miss Universe category to kindly take a leave.